Okay, so question 14 is a probability question specifically to do with Venn diagrams. A and B are two events. Some probabilities are shown on the Venn diagram. Work out probability of not A, basically. So this means A dash means not A, unison B, okay? So to do this, all we need to do is add all the probabilities at the moment that we have. So 0.3 plus 0.15 plus 0.35, which gives you 0.8. And probabilities are out of 1. So you'll do 1 take away 0.8, which gives you 0.2. And that gives you the probability of it not being A or B, like not being part of the Venn diagram. So 0.2 goes out here in the rectangle. And then you want the probability of it not being A. So it's basically all of this and the outside. Okay? So what we'll do is we'll do 0.15, which is the middle one, plus 0.35 plus 0.2. And that should give you 0.7, and that is the answer. Okay, quite straightforward.